What's up, guys? It's your boy, D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is cover this exciting day that we had in the market and then go over Friday's game plan. Guys, before we start that, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. You and you and you. Yes, you too. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. You stand on top of these dynamite plays that we throwing out. That way you can make some money. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and kick it off with Palantir. All right, guys, Palantir is currently sitting at 36.19. That's where Palantir currently sitting at. They ready to fall off a cliff. If you are a bear, you want to see 36.10 get taken out. They can take out that 36.10. You got this level at 35.90 that they got to break. They break that one right there. Bye-bye Palantir. We ready to start coming back to the downside. They had their 15 minutes of fame. Let's go ahead and pull it back. However, I do think that Palantir is going to be one of the premier companies down the road. Maybe not this year. Maybe not next year, but I do think that they're going to be well more valuable than $35 stock. I think they're going to boom it. It's just a matter of when. If you're interested in holding that play, me personally, I'm trying to wait for a pullback to about 25, 23, 20 area if it ever gets to that point again, and I'm going to load up the boat, throw it in my regular long-term account, and don't even pay attention to it no more. That's something to think about. If you are a bull, you need to see them get back to 30.60 and start closing candles above that to start running back to the upside. If you want an earlier entry, I'd say 36.30 on the safe side. You jump in at 36.30, then you hit that next level, and then they can start riding it back up. But I wouldn't even consider thinking about calls until they start showing some strength and start going to the upside. Next ticker is INTC. They are currently sitting at 21.15. If you are a bear, you want to see 21.10 get taken out. They can take out 21.10. You got this level right here, this shelf level at 20.90. They break that, you got 20.70 on the table. We'll handle in real time once we get to those points. If you are a bull, what you want to see this level at 21.25 get taken out. Then you want to see 21.35 get taken out. They can break through 21.50. They're going to run it back to these tops at 21.70. This was a play that I had put probably about a week ago. Said put this on your radar. They on the move. They have a potential to break out. And I think we were sitting somewhere around $18 when I called that, and they boomed it a couple days ago. Now they finding some little pullback in it. They can still pop up. Just pay attention to that one if you have any interest in INTC. Next ticker up, we're going to do SoFi. SoFi can be a little money maker. Guys, with these little tickers right here, you newbies and beginners, you get one shot, one kill with this one per day. You may be able to catch some downside or vice versa, whichever side that you catch on the pop, but these ain't plays for you to sit in for a long time unless you're trying to hold long term. These call outs are meant for get into that play, ride that trend up. If it's going to give you a 30-40 cent pop, cash out right there and then sit back and wait for the next play. All right, guys, with SoFi is sitting at 8.20 right now. If you are a bear, you want to see level around 8.10 get taken out. They can take out that level around 8.10. Then you got this stuff down here at 8 even. And then they break through 8 even. They can start running back to the 7 territory. If you are a bull, you want to see 8.30 get taken out. They can take out 8.30. The next level up is going to be 8.40. And then they're going to try to run it to these tops, as you see where they kept getting smacked at. That next level is going to be about 8.50. And then right up here at about 8.55, 8.60. A little slow movements with this right here. You'll probably have to have a whole bunch of contracts in this to really make money. But hey, you got to crawl before you walk. Next play is Nike. Nike, we put on the radar probably about a month ago. I threw this play out, and guys, I was searching this play about 3-4 weeks ago when I put it out. I said, this is a bonus play. Guys, get into this play. Give yourself 2-3 months out. This play isn't a play that's going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time, but when they boom it, they gonna boom it. And man, that play end up, I think we caught it at about $76. Within a week, it boomed to about $84, $85. That still wasn't the move. That wasn't the move that I saw on the charts. The move I saw on the charts, and I even put out there in the chat, in the Discord as well. I said, hey, $90 is the price target, what we're looking for in this play right here. We got the catalyst to go ahead and take us over the edge, but Nike replaced their CEO, and what happened? Boom! We're currently sitting at 86.60. So that was a crazy pop-up. Shout out to everybody that had patience in this play right here and sat back, tuck that away in the corner right there until it finally revealed itself. And now it is revealing itself. We're sitting at, like I said, 87.60. They booming it. I said 90, but ultimately they're going to try to make that push to 93.20. And I start eating at 90. 90, go ahead and take some profits off the table. If you want to leave some runners in, go ahead and leave those runners in. This might be a good thing for Nike replacing the CEO. But, you know, I drew this line on here, so that line has to be significant. Let me see if I can go to a higher time frame and find why I drew that line there. That's why I drew the line. That is the pop. Right there. It's 93.20. That's where they ultimately want to go before they get any kind of resistance, any kind of headaches or any of that. But again, 90 was the price target. If you're hungry and you want to eat at that point right there, or you can even eat when the bell rings. Go ahead and celebrate, pop some champagne bottles. You made it. That's a good money making play. That's where you can celebrate at. Next ticker, we're going to do ORCL. All right, so with this ticker right here, what you want to see, if you are a bear, you want to see 167.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You want to see these bottoms at 166.50 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming down to 166 even. If you are a bull, what you want to see, first area of interest at 167.85 get taken out. They take out that. You want to see 168.20 get taken out. They take out that. They got more room to run. Next ticker up is Nvidia. So with Nvidia, they're sitting at 117.90. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this chef level at 118.10 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got a level at 118.70. They break that right there. I got another one at 18.90. What they're trying to do is get back to these tops right here at 119.70. They can break through that. Hello, 121, 123, 125, and so forth on up. Again, we'll handle that in real time once we get to that point. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 117.60 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. They coming back down to 116.75. I got a level there, and we'll handle in real time once they start smacking through there, because they can really start falling at that point. Next ticker up, we're going to do it Tesla. Man, shout out to Curtis and Sane's Discord. Man, he put this play out probably about a week ago, maybe 3-4 days ago. But he said, guys, put Tesla on your radar. Tesla looked like it has the potential to pop and potentially start that journey back up to 270. And so that caught my eye when he said 270, because we sitting over here about 220, 218 when he put that post out. And I'm like, man, let me see what's going on. And then I looked into it and I was like, man, he might be on to something. And then what happened? Man, everybody is all on SPY, looking at that little move that SPY did. Y'all slept on Tesla. Tesla went bananas. Look, Tesla went all the way up to my level right up here, 244.30. Man, that's a look at this boom. Look at this. Boom. They went crazy. Absolutely nuts. They're currently sitting at 243.30. What you want to see, if you a bull, you want to see 244.30 get taken out. They can take out that. Next level up is 245.85. Next level after that is 247.70. I gave y'all the Tesla warning yesterday in my video, right in this area right here. I said if they got over 231.90, they were gonna boom this thing. And that's exactly what they did. If you are a bear, simple, you wanna see 242.95 get taken out. They can take out that. I got a level at 241.60. They break through that, they're gonna shoot their shot all the way back down to 236.95. Keep that on your radar, pay attention, because when it happened, you need to be already into that play eating. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and end her off with the homie SPY. Was another one that gave us some good stuff. We got into this play yesterday. Y'all know, if y'all rock with me, I don't swing trade anything. I want my money in the same day, but this was too good for me to pass up because they kept getting rejected at my level down here yesterday. Right in here. I told y'all yesterday, if bears couldn't break through 560.85, that they were gonna boom this thing. They kept getting rejected. You see 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. I said, no, I'm throwing some calls in there. And that's exactly what I did. I threw a whole bunch of calls into the play, and man, boom, man, overnight they just went bananas. And you see where we started the day out at 568, and they boomed this thing. We went all the way to the top of 572.80. Then they just pretty much played the seesaw game all the way to closing. If you are a bull in SPY, we're currently sitting, like I said, 570.50. You want to see 571.63 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You want to see 570.80. Them get to that level right there and smack through it. They can smack through that. They're going to pop this thing. Your next ideally level would be 573.05. They'll hit that, and then they'll try to run to 573.10. That may give you some pullback. If not, your next level up is going to be 573.20. If for the downside, you guys is just anxious to jump into some puts, you want to see 570.10 get taken out. They take 570.10 out. You want to see this level right here at 568.10. They can break through that. We come in all the way back down to 565.30. I'm definitely going to have my eye on this right here because I do think it may be an opportunity to jump into some puts tomorrow. I'm going to be watching that one close. And when the opportunity shows up, guys, I'm going to be out there throwing you plays level to level, trying to keep you ahead of the game. And as you see right here in SPY, I never swing, but check me out on the swinging right here. I had 20 calls at $12 a piece. When I sold for almost $70 a piece. Profit of $1,140. I had another set of calls. I bought for $9. When I sold, they was worth $50 a contract for a profit of $820. SPY paid today. If anybody want to know what that platform is, that's up under Moomoo. Moomoo, again, I'm loving that site. It's an alternative to Robinhood. If you're interested, it's a link in the description below. Make sure you click on that and get your deposits right and start trading with Moomoo. As you see, I'm throwing out these levels. If you pick any one of these plays, IWM, knock that one out of the ballpark. XOM, knock that one out of the ballpark. Tesla, knock that one out of the ballpark. You already know what I do in SPY. We ain't gonna even talk about SPY. But that's all I got for y'all today. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, come join us in the Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.